Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn function with a single expression in Kotlin. It is very important features in Kotlin and unique also. So let's start. First of all, we are creating a main function. Now after main function, we have to create a new function by function keyword, and the name of the function is display message. Here we are passing a message as a string type and equal to the parameter which we are passing. You see the function with a single expression. Func is a keyword to declare a function. Display message is the name of the function. MSG is the parameter of the string type. After equal to, we are passing a single line of expression that is going to be returned by this function. So that this function is going to return the string which we are passing as a parameter. So when we call this, because it's returning a value, so we have to call within a println. So display message, and we are passing here the message, hello, I am using Kotlin. Okay, so this is the function. We are passing a parameter, and now we execute the code. After executing this code, it will show you output. It take little bit time first time. So here is the output. So you can see the function with a single expression. Let's take one more example. So we have another function fun, and here we are checking the greater one between two number. So check greater, then num1 of int type, num2 of also int type, equal to if num1 greater than num2, then return num1 if num1 is greater, else return num2 if num2 is greater. Again we are giving the expression in a single line. Again calling this function, greater number is equal to, then plus check greater, we are passing a value here. Okay, so it will return the 78. You see the greater number is 78. So by this way we can use the expression with a single expression. If you want to read little more, go to Google Play Store and download my app, Learn Kotlin with Zero Efforts. This app you can download from Google Play Store and you can read more about the Kotlin. Thanks for this time.